A missed deadlines at work explanation letter can be more important than many employees realize because missed deadlines can affect project schedules, client relationships, team performance, performance evaluations, and management's confidence in your reliability. If a delay is not properly explained, it may create misunderstandings that could negatively impact your professional reputation. Many employees make the mistake of providing vague excuses, emotional explanations, or incomplete information when addressing missed deadlines. A well-written explanation letter gives you the opportunity to present the facts, demonstrate accountability, explain the circumstances, and show the steps you are taking to prevent similar issues in the future. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your employment information at the top of the letter. For example, Michael Turner, Senior Project Coordinator, Operations Department. Employee ID, EMP-45821. Summit Manufacturing Group. This section identifies the employee submitting the explanation and helps management locate the relevant employment records. Including accurate employment details helps ensure the letter is associated with the correct personnel file. Date. After your employment information, write the date. For example, June 10, 2026. The date establishes when the explanation was submitted and helps document the timeline of the matter. Submitting the explanation promptly demonstrates professionalism and accountability. Recipient information. Next, write the name of the manager, supervisor, or department receiving the letter. For example, Jennifer Reynolds. Operations Manager, Summit Manufacturing Group. This directs the explanation to the individual responsible for reviewing the situation. Always verify the correct recipient before submitting the letter. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, explanation regarding missed work deadlines. The subject immediately informs the reader about the purpose of the letter. A specific subject line allows managers to identify the matter quickly. Salutation, address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Ms. Reynolds. This maintains a respectful and professional tone throughout the correspondence. Using the recipient's correct title reflects attention to detail. Opening paragraph. Now begin by explaining why you are writing. For example, I am writing to provide an explanation regarding the missed deadline associated with the quarterly inventory optimization project that was originally due on May 30, 2026. This opening immediately identifies the project and the deadline being discussed. The reader should understand the purpose of the letter within the first few lines. Acknowledgement paragraph. Next, acknowledge the importance of the missed deadline. For example, I understand the importance of meeting established deadlines and recognize the impact that delays may have on team operations, project schedules, client expectations, and overall business objectives. I appreciate the opportunity to explain the circumstances that contributed to the delay. This paragraph demonstrates professionalism and accountability before presenting your explanation. Acknowledging the impact of the delay often helps establish credibility. Reason for the delay paragraph. Now explain the primary reason the deadline was missed. For example, the missed deadline occurred due to an unexpected increase in workload, combined with delays in receiving critical data from an external vendor required to complete the project. This section should provide a factual explanation rather than excuses or emotional statements. Focus on facts that can be verified and understood by management. Detailed circumstances paragraph. After that, provide additional details. For example, specifically, between May 10th and May 25th, multiple urgent operational requests required immediate attention and consumed a significant portion of available project time. In addition, the vendor information necessary for final analysis was received several days later than anticipated, which further affected the project schedule. This section provides context that helps management understand the timeline and contributing factors. Present events in chronological order whenever possible. Actions taken paragraph. Next, explain what you did to manage the situation. For example, during this period, I made efforts to manage the situation by prioritizing critical project tasks, communicating with the vendor regarding delays, coordinating with team members, and working additional hours to reduce the impact on the overall project timeline. Management often wants to see that reasonable efforts were made despite the challenges. Clearly describing your actions demonstrates responsibility and initiative. Accountability paragraph. Now acknowledge the missed deadline. For example, I acknowledge that the deadline was not met as expected and understand the importance of maintaining accountability for assigned responsibilities. In hindsight, I recognize that earlier communication regarding potential scheduling concerns would have been beneficial. This paragraph demonstrates maturity and professional self-awareness. Taking appropriate responsibility often strengthens the effectiveness of the explanation. Corrective measures section. Next, explain what steps you have taken to prevent future delays. For example, since the delay occurred, I have taken corrective measures to improve my ability to meet future deadlines, including improved project planning and scheduling, enhanced communication regarding potential delays, better prioritization of workload and responsibilities, regular progress monitoring and reporting. Employers are often interested in how future risks will be reduced. Corrective actions show commitment to continuous improvement. Project status paragraph. Now provide an update regarding the work itself. For example, the work associated with this deadline was completed on June 6, 2026, and all required deliverables have been submitted for review. Management needs to understand the current status of the assignment. Providing a clear status update eliminates uncertainty regarding project completion. Commitment paragraph. After that, reaffirm your commitment to your responsibilities. For example, I remain committed to maintaining high professional standards and ensuring that future assignments are completed in a timely and effective manner. This paragraph helps reinforce your dedication to your role and responsibilities. Maintaining a positive and professional tone is important throughout the letter. Thank you paragraph. Then include your closing paragraph. For example, thank you for your understanding and for the opportunity to provide this explanation. Please let me know if any additional information or clarification is required. This keeps the tone respectful and cooperative. Offering further clarification demonstrates openness and professionalism. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Michael Turner. This is your formal closing and signature identification. A professional closing helps leave a positive final impression. Employee information section. Finally, include your employment details. For example, employee ID, EMP-45821. Job title, Senior Project Coordinator. Department, Operations. These details help management accurately associate the explanation with your employment records. Providing complete identifying information can help speed up internal review processes. Before submitting your missed deadlines at work explanation letter, make sure every date, project reference, and explanation is accurate. Focus on facts rather than excuses, acknowledge responsibility where appropriate, explain the circumstances clearly, and demonstrate the corrective measures you have taken. A strong explanation letter not only clarifies what happened, but also reassures management that you are committed to improving performance and meeting future expectations. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.